All right, so here's the little patio.
Yeah.
And like I would make this place for like two of the girls. Like,
Yeah.
it would still be manageable.
Yeah.
Like a office.
Hang room in our office. Yeah.
So that's garage.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Fridge comes with the property. It's a gas stove, really big island. Sorry. And I'm gonna walk around and show you. So we have big sink, and then pantry. Sweet. So I'm gonna keep going here. Okay, so like a little dining area, or it could be another little sitting room, but dining probably makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna see the bedroom down here.
Oh, that's our packing storage unit.
No problem. Okay, so this is a full bedroom with, looks like two windows. I think those face kind of a more major street, but I like that there's a full bath down here.
Mm-hmm.
Looks really nice and clean. Let me just check outside the front door to see what it looks like. From the stairs, sorry, here's bedroom number one. This one is kind of massive. It would be like the primary
Master.
bedroom. Yep. Okay. So double sink. Jeez.
Oh wow, it's a good closet.
Okay, so here, just get another roommate. They can live in here or work from home. Sheesh.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, stand-up shower, and then like a separate toilet room. Okay, a lot of good space in this one. The stairs, let's go to more bedrooms.
Make sure no one's in here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, and again, they're moving out tomorrow, which is, it is what it is. Okay. Then we have, laundry, nice. Laundry up here with some, this is big.
Yeah.
Good storage space. And then,
Number 3.
all right, bedroom 3. And these aren't huge, but then again, there's the office space or
Downstairs,
bonus one
yeah.
downstairs.
And I feel like someone would want that just because there's a bathroom.
Yeah, absolutely. Because really, okay,